Hello and welcome to your Travel and Tourism exam and revision guide for summer 2021. So the 2021 revision guide for travel and tourism, I'm going to cover what topics you need to cover, where will your exam be and how long will your exam be, how you should prepare and what else you can do to make sure you set yourself up for success. So your exam details. For those of you in year 10, you'll have an hour and a half exam in the sports hall. It will be under exam conditions and you'll sit in the exam in the exam sports hall, and it will be a formal exam under exam conditions. If you're in year 9, you'll have 1 hour exam in the classroom. It will be under exam conditions, but it will be slightly shorter of a 1 hour exam. So year 10 will have an hour and a half, and year 9 will have 1 hour. I say the topics you need to cover. So years 9 and 10, you both need to revise Learning Aim A, which is to understand the UK travel and tourism sector and the importance to the UK economy. Learning Aim B also for years 9 and 10, to know about the industries and key organisations within the travel and tourism sector, their roles and their interrelationships. So this is both topics we have covered this year. They've been great fun. Hopefully you should remember a lot of it. And we will need to make sure that you go back over all your notes to make sure you are really secure in your understanding of both of those learning aims. If you're in year 10, you need to make sure that you are covering Learning Aim C in addition. This is the use of technology in the travel and tourism sector. So for years 9, you've got Learning Aim A and Learning Aim B. If you're in year 10, you have Learning Aim A, Learning Aim B, and Learning Aim C. So how is it the best you're going to prepare? Your teacher is going to give you a rag sheet. You'll be familiar with rag sheets by now. And for each topic, you're going to red, amber and green it. You'll go through it like a list and you will highlight it in green if you understand the topic well, you're secure in it and you're confident. You'll highlight it in amber if you are less confident, you've got a pretty good idea, but you're not quite sure on everything. So you highlight that in amber. Then you highlight everything that you really are muddled about in red. There shouldn't be too many reds, but if there are, don't panic. We will make sure that you cover those, and they're the ones that you really need to focus on in terms of your revision. So your teacher will give you your rag sheet and you will rag it independently and make sure that you're highlighting the topics that you are secure in, so the ones that you feel least secure in. So the best way to prepare for your exam is using your knowledge organisers. You've been given lots of knowledge organisers over the course of this academic year, and it's important you go back and review them and refresh your memory on everything that we've covered by using those knowledge organisers, which have got the key information, key terminology, and some formulas on too. They're all available to you on class charts. You need to fish through your own class charts and they will be there for you. You will also have been given a hard copy at the beginning of each half term, which you may still have, in which case you can use them as a hard copy, and you can scribble on them, highlight them, circle them, and do whatever it is that you do to learn and assist your further learning. You can also use some revision guides that are available to you, some workbooks that you've been working through in class that the teachers' staff have been giving you, and of course your class notes. Now your class notes are really invaluable. You've been writing in your books for 1 to 2 years on all the topics that we've just covered. Now those class notes are written in a way that you understand in your words. So it's really important that you go back and review those class notes and use them as part of your revision in order to prepare for your exam at the end of this academic year. So we can use revision guides, your workbooks that you've been given, and class notes. Over and above that, you can access resources on the shared area. So access your shared area and see what you've got on there. There'll be additional worksheets for you to use and resources to use in order to help you prepare for your exam after half term. What else can you do? Any questions, please talk to your teacher. First and foremost, come and talk to us. And definitely don't worry or panic. That's just energy entirely wasted, and it's a complete waste of your time in just panicking. If you use your rag sheet, cover one topic at a time until you are comfortable. Do not try and cover the whole learning aim in one session. It's a huge topic, each of those learning aims, and you need to break them down into small segments and cover one at a time until you feel really super comfortable with each one. And then you can move it from red to amber to green. And hopefully within a few revision sessions, your rag sheet will all be green. You can go back over by using your knowledge organiser, some revision guides and your class notes. But finally, any questions, come and talk to your teacher. We're all available to you. If you can't come and find us because you're busy, you can always drop us an email. So drop us an email, ask any questions, ask for help. If we know you're struggling, we can help you. Once we've got your rag sheet, if there's a misconception within the classroom, we'll cover that as a class, but a lot of your revision will be done in your homework and your own independent learning. It's really important you find a way to revise that works for you. So practice different techniques that we've gone through in our sessions on a Friday morning with our Victory Vitals to make sure that you are learning in a way that works for you. Some of you will be visual learners. Some of you may be different learners and you may want to write a song or something. Whatever works for you, make sure you are doing it. But finally, any questions, come and talk to your teacher. Good luck.